welcome to a new video. My name is Matt. So in today's video I'll be showing us how to get a stable hand while shooting your video. In today's tutorial I'll be using my 50mm. This is 50mm prime lens, and we all know the struggle we go through while shooting with 50mm prime lens, especially when you are shooting with crop sensor. But today I'll be shooting with full frame. So this is Nikon D810. I'll be showing us how to shoot a video without getting a shaky hand. I set my lens on autofocus, so if you check here, you'll see my autofocus is set. The camera is on, so let me just shoot something. I'll show you. Okay, so while shooting, make sure you stable your hand. Now this is how I normally hold my hand. Remember, this is 50mm, so when I hold my hand like this, I grab my camera with this. So let's go. All right, so I'm trying to get the edges of the building from here down to the entrance of the house. So all right, so after now I'll be going outside to shoot, but before then let me show you the few things I just captured now. So let me shoot from this angle and show you guys more. So I'm shooting from this angle. Okay, all right. I need to capture from this point to that end and see. Let's just check the difference. Right now I'm shooting with the same 50mm. Right, same method I told you.